Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the December Eyescream Beauty Duochrome subscription, which it may actually be the November Eyescream Beauty Duochrome subscription. I can't remember if they go a month backwards or forwards, but this is the one we got this month and we're going to see what's inside of it. If you are not familiar with the Eyescream Beauty subscriptions, they have a few. This is the cheapest one. This is $6.99 or $7.99 a month plus taxes. And I think there's like it ends up being like 10 and change or 11 and change once all is said and done. They also have the Ice Cream Beauty bag, which gives you 3 full-size products each month. And then they have the Ice Cream box, which I think is 5 full-size products each month. One of the nice things that Ice Cream Beauty does on the bag and the box is you will get products that are not as mainstream. So you're going to get smaller companies, indie brands, all kinds of fun stuff in there, always quality, great source products. So check out the other ones if you're interested. This is the one that I get currently, and I kept it for the last couple of months because one of you suggested that. I wonder if there's going to be holiday colors in the Duochrome bag going for the holidays. So last month we did get kind of an orangey red and a pretty gold green, which was perfect for fall. I haven't checked this one out yet, but I'm really fingers crossed that we get red and green or gold. We have enough whites, but not straight up silver, so maybe. But this will make 12 of these that I have, and I don't use Duochrome a lot, so I may either move to the bag or just a different subscription altogether. But we're gonna see what's in here, and I can already tell you, they're not Christmassy. But these are the colors that we got. We got pink and kind of a neutral and a white. So we get a white. Wait, this is like our 3rd or 4th white one. They need to really get some variety if they want people to keep this every month. But maybe this is not a subscription that you would keep long term, but you would get a few just to try them and see which ones you get. And if you like the Duochrome, I will say that is a hot pink. I actually really like that color. I'm gonna do that one first. This is my favorite. I want to see what's inside here. Well, it's my favorite before I open them. It might change after we get into these. But you guys, look at let me show you the cap of this. Look at just the cap of that pink. That is the color pink it is. And you can already see the glitter filling my air. But I want to see, it looks like it has a gold shift. Now these are Duochrome, so they should shift to a different color. And that is the gold color and the pink color. Let's see how it transfers. It's not very dark. Is it buildable? Let's see. You can kind of build it up. Oh, there you go. You just need to hit the light on it just right. So one thing about Duochrome is you don't get the full blast of color all the time. You just have to be hitting that light right. But that's a really pretty pink. I really like that. I know it's not red or green, but it's one I'll probably get more use out of, to be honest, than I would a red or a green. All right, so let's see. This white one, I think it's going to be just like our other ones. We've got like 3 of. So this one, okay, so this one is this color. It's just straight up white. I'm trying to see if it shifts to, this one almost has a blue shift. You guys, I'm sorry my nails are janky, but that's, I haven't done them in a minute. But that one, it's almost silvery blue, which is really pretty, and it goes great with that hot pink. So that one's really pretty. Let's put the lid back on that one and see what is in the next one. Okay. So this one, oh, this one, didn't look at all like the color that it is. It is a pink as well, but a really pretty kind of peachy pink. So I want to put it next to this pink to see the difference between the two. Now, one thing with Duochrome colors that you can do if you want that extra pop is to put it over a cream base or even like a primer. But that one doesn't pick up the pink on the camera like it does here in person. Let me try to get that. You can kind of see it when the light turns. But that is a really pretty pink. It's a lot prettier here in person than what we're seeing. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That would make, if you wanted to do a whole eye with the Duochromes, you could totally do that with these looks. So my fingers are all the colors, so it kind of helps you see the different colors they are. But wow, these are gorgeous. They're not the red and green that I was hoping for, but they are very pretty. And I'm excited to see these. So this may be the last for real duochrome that I get, just because I don't need, I have 12 and I don't wear, I only have occasion to wear a duochrome or a sparkly maybe a few times a year, unless I just want to do something fun for the sake of it, which you could, and you really would enjoy it with these. But for now, this may be the last one. We'll see what comes next month. If I haven't already canceled, it may have already been billed for it. I don't know. We'll see. But let me know if you'd like to see the Glam Bag, which is the next cheaper version, the next more expensive, cheaper version, or the box, if I wanted to get one of those two. The bag is kind of a fun one because you still get 3 products, and I think it's like less than $20, which is fun. So I'll have to check it out. But let me know your thoughts, and we'll see what we do with the feedback and if we end up getting another one or not. But I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, hit notifications. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.